So these are your wax pieces that were left in the cabinet at school. Most of these that were left in the cabinet, I did create a investment mold for it. I want you to pay attention here because I will be asking you questions about the video. So first we need to connect and arrange the sprues and the wax artworks onto the rubber sprue base connected to the pour cup. And I'm going to show you a diagram. Then we need to detach the sprues and artworks to weigh them on a double beam scale without that rubber sprue base. Then we need to write down the weight in grams for how much the waxes and artworks weigh. Okay. Um, and then we need to reattach everything, our sprues and the artworks, back onto the rubber base, solder them to the rubber base securely. And this is important because we're going to be pouring investment material around these wax pieces. So the sprues and the artworks are waxes. Um, the sprues are basically plumbing that allows the um, bronze to flow into your art piece. So essentially, the sprues and the artworks are going to be negative space inside of your mold. It's going to be like a cup where you would pour water into a cup. Except in our case, we're pouring molten silica bronze into the cup, into your mold. Okay, so think about a mold as a as the cup that actually holds the liquid, and think about the casting process as the thing that actually comes out of a mold. A lot of people get confused because you think of a cast. When people talk about cast, they think about a cast like a cast when you break your arm, but actually it's a misrepresentation of what that actually is. A thing that holds a broken bone, like, if you break your arm or something like that, that's actually a mold. So the mold is actually the thing that surrounds um, your artwork. In our case, it's actually like, think about the ice tray example. So the mold that we're pouring is actually going to be the container that holds the molten bronze. Okay.